Recipes that promote cardiovascular health, improve blood flow, and boost overall energy levels can help improve erection quality. Here are 3 recipes designed with these principles in mind. 1. Spinach and Berry Smoothie. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup fresh spinach. 2. 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. 3. 1 banana. 4. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 5. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 6. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. 7. Half teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions. 1. Add the spinach, mixed berries, banana, and almond milk to a blender. 2. Add the chia seeds, honey, if using, and cinnamon. 3. Blend until smooth. 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Benefits. 1. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow. 2. Berries are high in antioxidants and flavonoids, which support heart health. 3. Chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, which promote cardiovascular health. 2. Salmon and Avocado Salad. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups mixed greens, arugula, spinach, kale. 2. 1 avocado, sliced. 3. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 4. Half cucumber, sliced. 5. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 6. 1 grilled salmon fillet, about 6 ounces. 7. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 8. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. 9. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Grill the salmon fillet until cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. 2. In a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. 3. Flake the grilled salmon and add it to the salad. 4. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. 5. Season with salt and pepper, and toss to combine. 6. Serve immediately. Benefits. 1. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. 2. Avocado contains healthy fats and vitamins that support cardiovascular health. 3. Mixed greens provide nitrates and antioxidants. 3. Dark chocolate and nut trail mix. Ingredients. 1. Half cup dark chocolate chips, at least 70% cocoa. 2. Half cup almonds. 3. Half cup walnuts. 4. Half cup pumpkin seeds. 5. 1/4 cup dried cranberries, unsweetened. 6. 1/4 cup goji berries. Instructions. 1. Combine all the ingredients in a large bowl. 2. Mix well to ensure an even distribution of each ingredient. 3. Store in an airtight container. 4. Enjoy a small handful as a snack. Benefits. 1. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which help improve blood flow. 2. Nuts like almonds and walnuts provide healthy fats, protein, and arginine, which can boost nitric oxide production. 3. Seeds and berries are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients that support overall health. Additional tips. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain good blood circulation. 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity, especially cardiovascular exercise, can improve heart health and blood flow. 3. Healthy lifestyle. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and manage stress effectively. These recipes, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can contribute to improved erection quality by supporting cardiovascular health and overall well-being.